Hello friends! With summertime at our doorstep, do not forget that June is still full of power electronics offline and online events. It's a good chance for everyone to enjoy great weather and great industry updates. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. INFINEO'S Electric, a China-based leading supplier of inverters for the automotive industry, is the first to integrate the latest 750-watt automotive-grade IGBTs from INFINEON Technologies. The Discrete IGBT ED2 devices enable performance boosts and system cost savings in main inverter applications and DC-link discharge switches of electric vehicles. Additionally, they offer great design freedom for achieving system integration targets. Silicon wafer manufacturer Okmetic will build a new production facility next to its current silicon wafer fab in Vantaa, Finland. The investment is to more than double the company's production capacity and business and create over 500 new jobs. Construction will commence in early 2023 at the latest, and the fab is planned to be in production use during 2025. With silicon wafer demand surging due to the proliferation of electronic components, the investment helps the company meet the growing demand of customers. Okmetic supplies advanced, customized silicon wafers for the manufacturers of MEMS, sensor, RF and power devices. This investment in a new production facility, totaling nearly 400 million euros, will more than double the company's business. It is the largest investment in Okmetic's history. Over the last 5 years, the company has invested over 100 million euros in increasing the production capacity of its Vantaa fab, and the new production fab is yet another chapter in the company's growth story as a provider of high-value added silicon wafers in a rapidly growing and developing industry. Diodes Incorporated announced it has completed the transaction to acquire onsemi's wafer fabrication facility and operations located in South Portland, Maine. As previously announced, Diodes will integrate the South Portland facility and fab operations, including the transfer of fab employees to Diodes. As part of a multi-year wafer supply agreement, Diodes will continue to manufacture onsemi's products from fab as onsemi completes the transfer of this production into its other wafer fabs. TRANSPHORM'S announced that its GaN technology powers the Lemuria ME3000 from Diodes Power Energy. Diodes uses the GaN FETs in the Lemuria AC inverter to achieve 99% efficiency in a fanless system. Notably, the Lemuria ME3000 is Japan's first lithium-ion battery power storage device for medical equipment to earn SJQL certification for electrical products, a mark that indicates a product's safety and performance quality. TRANSPHORM'S JEDEX qualified GaN FET and a high-performance 650-volt GaN device in a thermally robust package. Allegro MicroSystems, a global leader in sensing and power semiconductor solutions for motion control and energy-efficient systems, announced the entry into an agreement to acquire Heyday integrated circuits. Heyday is a privately held company specializing in compact, fully integrated isolated gate drivers that enable energy conversion in high-voltage gallium nitride and silicon carbide wide bandgap semiconductor designs. The Heyday acquisition will complement Allegro's existing solutions for energy efficiency, including its market-leading current sensor solutions. Additionally, it is expected to significantly expand Allegro's addressable market for electric vehicles, solar inverters, data center and 5G power supplies, and broad market industrial applications. DENSO hosted a business briefing to share its semiconductor strategy and how the company is achieving its long-term policy 2030. During the briefing, DENSO leaders discussed how semiconductors help lay the foundation in pursuing the company's two great causes: green, achieving carbon neutrality by 2035, and peace of mind, creating a safe and seamless world for all. Strategy for power semiconductors is to develop and manufacture devices and wafers and manufacturing processes in-house to maximize system competitiveness. DENSO has been producing high-voltage power and analog semiconductors for about half a century, endeavoring to develop rugged semiconductors. In high-voltage power semiconductors, DENSO is working to produce large-diameter silicon wafers with strategic partners and to fully launch silicon carbide wafers, which will contribute to improving the electric cost for battery electric vehicles. Wolfspeed announced the promotion of Rick McDormand to Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing, succeeding Thomas Wessel, who plans to retire at the end of June. In anticipation of McDormand's promotion, Wolfspeed has hired Owen DeLeon as the company's new Vice President of Sales for the Americas. McDormand has led Wolfspeed's Americas sales organization since 2018, focused on the business development strategy, pipeline growth, and organization structure, supporting the company's most recent quarterly revenue growth of 37%. An industry veteran, Madorma has more than 25 years of semiconductor experience with sales leadership roles at Intel, Altera, and other companies. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.